Well, as soon as, right when I'm eating dinner, and I'm also cooking my cornbread here, so, watch the new Superman episode and everything. This one little storm that just blew up is apparently a supercell. It was going north and it's shifting down here this direction. Of course, all the bad weather's always here. Like I said, don't move to North Dallas. It's just terrible. Yeah, 11:19 p.m. Hopefully nothing happens, but this is crazy. Hopefully the electricity doesn't go out because I'm trying to cook and eat. Wow, so local radar is showing that, not this radar, but the local one on the news stations. That's like a few miles north of here. There's a tornado on the ground. And this storm is shifting north and shifting south like no one knows what it's doing. So, a few more minutes. So yeah, there's a tornado up near Anna and Melissa right now.
Because you shouldn't be here. How could you put yourself in danger like
and going towards the Blue Ridge.
So you rushed in with no clue what you were up against.
But yeah, it's like just north of here near McKinney. It's crazy. So I'm watching live storm chases on YouTube just to be sure I'm still looking at the show. Obviously it's just bad timing for the show. But so they're showing like 2 circulations. Yeah, the Blue Ridge, and that's to the right. But the one in Westminster is still like, it's literally like a few miles north, and they've already shown like some house was completely destroyed.
That's what I'm gonna do.
So yeah, I'm down there near McKinney, between McKinney and Princeton there. So I think it is going to pass over, which is good. But holy crap, man! This is one of the closest ones. Yeah, obviously, like I said, new Superman show. I can't even focus on that right now because this is going on. And I'm sort of cooking dinner.
Rex, I have one last question for you.
Like, everyone's asking. I even asked in the chat. Everyone's asking in the chat. Because it's sort of rare. Hold on.
Strong circulation. This is going to be about...
Yeah, circulation near Celeste now.
5 miles east of Highway 78. 5 miles west of Highway 69. This is riding FM 981. Probably now near where FM 981 and FM 1562 669 split. This is going to end up being very near Celeste in a matter of minutes, and this is a very strong indication of a tornado again. We're back to the range. We have winds moving away from the radar at 65.
And there's more forming in the back, as I'm trying to figure out. Like, I'm starting to hear rain out there now, but they said it's not tornadic.
Winds moving towards the radar.
But there's more forming in the back of the storm. It just keeps building and building.
Got winds moving away at about 65. So
like
about
on top of the whole
hour
area out here,
uplift.
North Dallas.
And again, this is on FM 1562 coming up on...
They did report like multiple casualties.
FM 36,
so
and then it's going to ride 1562
it's crazy tonight.
almost all the way to Celeste on Highway 69. So you need to be in a safe
place. It goes
place.
Saturday, man.
Lowest floor, center room, away from windows. Put as many walls between you